After I recorded my new mix for Friday, I went to the beach to pick up my daughter because she is doing their paddle surf. Then I went back home to produce some new music, and I've got a new tip for you how you can make your track more groovy. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today I'm gonna explain you how to make a little bit room for the bass and the kick without any side chaining. So normally you take a side chain like Kickstarter 2, then you select here the input channel, it's the kick. And of course, when we gonna play it, then you see the kick here and the bass here, and you can select this one and you can adjust it with this one. You can like this, doesn't matter how you, but that's the way you can do it. Another way what you can do, it's a trick they learned me a long time ago, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. You go up here to the region, you select this one, the kick, then you go up here to the kick region and you have delay here. You can go up, you have plus, and you can go down, and then you have minus. By default everything is on 0. What I sometimes do to make more groove or let the bass and the kick more fit together, I pull this one 3 clicks down. Sounds like that. And you almost don't hear the difference. And then when we move the kick a little bit to the front, because minus is to the front, and we go to the bass and put the bass 3 clicks back, or even more. You can go very extreme with it. Now you hear it better. But this one is with trial and error. You have to hear it in the whole track, and in one certain moment you feel and you hear that it's fitting perfect. So it's a little bit trying around, and on one certain moment you maybe have to change it again because it's not fitting with the lead. I'm almost finishing a track and I change the bass a little bit. I put it 1 click up or 1 click down, I don't know anymore. But in one certain moment the whole track glues more together. So it's a very simple, easy way to get more space for the kick and the bass and give them more space and let them fit better together. Of course you can go very extreme with the kick. So you see how much different that it is. Let me put this one back. Because you have to be careful that you don't put the kick too much to the front. It's better to move the bass a little bit more to the back and adjust the rest of the track on that. Oh. Now it's like that. It's only a small detail, but it can be making big difference, because Otherwise everything gets too electronic, and normal the bass player, he's playing a little bit lazy or a little bit pushing. And it's the same with a drummer. Nowadays the drummers have a click on their ear so they can drum pretty tight, and they stay pretty tight. But that's what's making live music so great, and that's what's making the music glued together. It's not the straight lines, but a little bit different. So a little bit in front or in the back of the music. And that's what you can do with this. I hope you like this quick tip to give the bass and the kick a little bit more space with each other and let the track more groove. If you want to see more of those tips, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, push the notification bell, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!